Good morning, everyone. This morning we are sharing with you amazing secrets before writing your online examination. I'm Adida Rambakos. If you are new on this site, please subscribe for other series we'll be giving you from time to time as you continue in your start or continue in your online examination. Secrets number one. Online questions will be set from the objectives of the course. The objective of the course is very, very important. So if you are planning for your online exams, it is very, very important you take notes of the objectives of the course. If the lecturer is not giving it to you or has not given it to you, what you need to do is to ask from the lecturers, sir or ma'am, what are the objectives of this course? From the objective of the course, you'll be able to see, know, and understand how you should prepare for the exams. What and what you need to do to be able to prepare for this examination. So it is very, very important you get the trick of the from the objective point of view. And naturally, every course has a major objective. Every course has a major objective, and you start from here to see that you are able to get the objective of the course. Now, like I said, online questions will be set on the objective of the course. So, secret number two. Online questions will be set from the assignments you have received over. So take notes. Please bring out all your assignments, pack them aside, put them by you. Look at everything. And if you are not sure of what you have been able to do over a period of time, as far as the assignment, if you are not sure that what you have done in the assignment is okay by you, what you need to do is to ask the lecturer if to check your assignment, and if possible, show you what you have done so that you'll be able to get the exact thing, that is necessary for you to prepare for the exam. Then question secret number three. Secret number three, this one is the questions will be sent, the online questions will be sent from the term papers within the semester. What are the term papers within the semesters? All the ones we have received, the first week, the second week, or the third week. You may have one or two term papers. This term paper is very, very crucial for you to know, and you need to adapt to it and make sure that the term paper, you understand what is in the term paper, and the term paper actually is correct from the point of view of the lecturers. So from here, you are able to know and you are able to get what you are supposed to do. And the term paper, the same thing, do confirm from the lecturer if you have been able to explain in detail, if you have critically examined the term paper topics, if you have actually worked on the term paper, so the lecturer may bring out the title of the term paper and ask you to work on it in the examination. Secret number four. Online questions will be set or may be set from the class quizzes and worked examples. Naturally, lecturers make sure that they get all these things from they give exams based on what have been done over a period of time in the classes, and by giving you class quizzes, questions, and some other things that you need to do on your notes, and there are some things you need to write on your note. These things are very, very important, and based on this, they give you tests. And those texts, those questions that were asked in the class, during the period of the class, will be repeated or may be repeated during the exams. So, and also work examples. The lecturer will just get to the class, work examples for you, and that example, make sure you take note of the examples. If you are not having it, get compare notes with some of your students in the class, your course mates. Make sure you are able to get the discussed questions or the class quizzes you have you have done in the class, and from here you are able to prepare for the exams. Then secret number 5, online questions may be set from the test questions taken during the semester. Now, many students just write text, they don't take cognizance of the text they have written. So whatever text you have written over the course of the semester, you need to take it serious. All those questions. Now, open your book, answer everything correctly. Answer everything correctly. Make sure you write it extensively. Trash the points. Put the point, maybe create about 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7 points from those test questions. Answer it over and over again. Don't be surprised. The question may come out from the test questions you have been able to give. So make sure that's secret number 5. Secret number 6, online questions will be set from the past questions paper. All the past question papers of maybe the next 5 years, the next 6 years, even the next 10 years. If the lecturer taking you currently is the same that have been taking you over a period of, have been taking the course over a period of 10 years, but make sure you are able to get the past questions. If you don't have it, check from the library, from online or from the library, and make sure that you have the question. Sit down and answer the question. Naturally, you see, because you are preparing for exam, you can write about 10 pages for that. So in the exam, you'll be able to remember what you have written today. It will give you a kind of graphical look. By the time you are writing your exam, you will know what you have done in the exam. Then that is using past questions paper. So secret number 7, online questions will be set from the treated questions during the class. So you need to know that the treated questions during the class are very, very important. A student may ask a question, and lecturers may also ask questions. Just put a question to you. That means you need to be attentive. You go to the lecture not to put your hand and listen. You go to the lecture hall with a mind, either online or offline. You with a mind to capture the most important moments from the lecturer, so that as he's asking questions and he's treating the questions, you make sure that you write down the questions, and you also write the answers, if including illustrations from the lecturers. These things will help you to actually prepare very well for the exam. And like I said, you like, share, and subscribe to this site. Help your other students. Make sure you leave them up. It's very important you like, get in contact with you. It's very important you share, and you share these things to your students, to your coursemate. And if you're a lecturer, send it to your students so that they will prepare very well. And finally, make sure you subscribe. And like I said, let me just go over the point one after the other. Like we just treated the amazing secret before writing your examination. I've told you about that. One, the online questions will be set from the objective of the course. Online questions will be set from the assignments. Online questions will be set from the term papers within the semester. Online questions will be set from the class quizzes and work examples. Online questions will be set from the test questions taken during the semester. Online questions will be set from the past questions paper. And online questions will be set from the detailed questions during the class. I wish you a very beautiful day. And as you prepare for your exams, I believe that you are on the road to success. Thank you.